welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am wearing a wig today and I have an Ipsy unboxing to do because Ipsy and Boxycharm combined and they agreed to let me still be part of that program. So I have the Boxycharm portion and the Ipsy portion to go through. So let's start with the Ipsy portion. They put both the Boxycharm stuff and the Ipsy stuff in the same box but packaged separately. So this month's Ipsy is this cute bag. It's been a long time since I've had Ipsy and yeah, I like Ipsy. I just stopped using it a long time ago, but I'm happy to have it again because why not? The first item is the Professional from Benefit. It's the Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I am going to put this aside for a giveaway because I do not use Benefit because they are not cruelty free, and plus foaming cleansers don't work well for my skin anymore. This is the Shades by Sean, the gel eyeliner, made in Germany. It's just a standard black eyeliner. Love it. Can never have too many of these. If you hear the birds, I apologize, but I can't do anything about them. This is the Real Her I Am Beautiful Length Volume Mascara. It is completely sealed up, so I'm not going to bother opening that because I have too many open mascaras as it is, but I'm willing to give that a try. I love trying out new mascaras. This is the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. I've never heard of this brand before, but you know, I get a pretty good decent sized tube of this. I think I could probably get 3 uses out of this, maybe more if it's, you know, goes a little bit, goes far, but yeah. And then the last item in here is from Shayna B. It is an eyeshadow duo. Beautiful colors. I just don't see myself reaching for this because I'm not a big fan of eyeshadow singles, even though I do have quite a few. So I think I will hold on to this for a future giveaway. And by giveaway, I mean once I hit 10,000 followers on TikTok, I will do another giveaway. I feel like I look so weird with this wig on. I don't feel like myself. I feel like I look even younger. Anyway, let's get into the Boxycharm portion, which I have seen these items before, so right off the bat I will let you know I am more excited for the Boxycharm stuff than the Ipsy stuff, but overall I am very pleased with what I got this month. First thing is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recovery Body Butter. This sounds amazing. I love Pacifica. Their products are always like pretty good. I've only had a few things that I wasn't a fan of, but I am excited to try this. I love trying out new body butters. I'm slowly getting into liking those, especially to take care of my tattoos. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. I have no idea how to use this. Color Correcting Eye Stick. It's in the banana shade. I don't typically go for banana shades, but maybe I'll give it a try. Maybe I'll hold off on it, give it in the giveaway. We'll see. Ciate London actually collabed with Smiley a couple months before Urban Decay did, and they did a lip mask. This is a 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask. I actually have this because Ciate London gifted it to me before, so I will throw this in for a future giveaway. And 2 more products. And I will say, I was most excited for these last 2 items because I saw this and I was like, worth it. Worth it. So the next item is the Fenty Beauty Smoky Palette. I have not tried any of the Fenty Beauty eye products besides the mascara. The mascara has been the only thing I've tried for the eyes, but I am super excited to have this one. Oh, the colors. I love this. Smoky, grungy. I love color stories like this because I love doing dark, grungy, smoky eyes, even though I'm super pink today. I play with a bunch of makeup, but the darkness has my heart. And then the last item is the Oobleuse Rosy Drops from Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant so much. They don't know who I am, but I love their skincare. It has changed my skincare game. My skin is so much healthier after discovering Drunk Elephant. And this is like a makeup product. It's a Fortify and Blush. Beautiful rosy color. I have never tried anything like this. I know they have the like a bronzing drop that's really popular and hard to find. Haven't tried that either, but I am super excited for this. So that is everything in the Ipsy and Boxycharm box. I'm still a little confused on the combination of the 2 companies, but so far, what I've seen, I am enjoying it, and I am very appreciative that they have agreed to send me these for free. Obviously, this isn't a paid sponsorship because they ain't paying me to do this, but whatever. Maybe one day. If you're interested to sign up for the program, I will have all the info down below for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.